What's going on, everybody? Zen here, and today's video will be an old repair I did, a before and after shot. Let's take a look. Hey everybody, I'm back from holidays and I had a wonderful time with my wife and the kids, and they all enjoyed. It was a holiday well deserved. While I was on holiday, I was scrolling down through my phone looking at my old repairs I did, and I found an interesting one that I wanted to share with you. This repair is actually one of the first bigger, more complex repairs I did because I was mainly a hail guy. The damage was caused by an accident when this car hit a deer and it bent the whole hood in. It didn't came out perfect because I made two mistakes. First one was I didn't think and I didn't believe in myself that I can actually fix it. And that's why I made the second mistake, which is I didn't use the heat gun. I just went straight out and push on it. Now I'm sorry, I apologize, I don't have the process of repair recorded. I just have the before and after because that was back in 2017 or 18 and I was not even thinking about YouTube and making all these videos. I just made that video just so I have a before and after shot because the damage was really severe. So what you are going to see today is first a split screen of a before and after, and then zoomed in before and a zoomed in after. The reason you are seeing it that way is because, like I said, I was recording it back in like 2-3 years ago, and of course I didn't think about turning my phone sideways, so my phone was normal, like you use it every day, and that's why the whole framing is wrong. But I put a little more effort into editing. I know it's not the best shot you can get, but is as best as I can get with what I had. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's good to be back, and I will be coming out with more videos every week. They are all PDR related videos, so make sure you click that like button and click the subscribe button, and do not forget about that bell notification next to subscribe button. That way you will get notified each week when I release a new video.